Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Leanne!
Thank you. Woo! Have you ever felt that you are not good enough? Yeah. So have I. But these feelings of uncertainty, of vulnerability, of thinking that other people can do a better job than you is completely natural. In fact, research by Dr. Valerie Young shows that 70% of us will experience these sensations, these feelings, at some point in our adult life. These negative thoughts in our heads are normal. So in this instance, it's okay to have, voices in your head. See, I have a content marketing business. What's content marketing? It's that powerful marketing tool that includes blogging, writing e-newsletters, and writing website copy and other content for your business, which is what shows who you are in your business. It shows your personality and brand, and it's what people ultimately buy, why they buy from you. And in my 4 years of being in business, I've found that people aren't taking the step to use this powerful marketing tool. They're limiting themselves because they're too vulnerable to take that step out of their comfort zone and become a better self and grow their business. But see, I believe you have a choice. You can choose to see this imposter syndrome over here as being a bully. And you can see yourself as being a victim and hear all these negative things she spits at you and take it on board and never go anywhere in life. Just cower away in the corner. Or you can choose to see her as your best friend. That friend, we probably all have it, that friend who plays devil's advocate and says, I don't know if you can really do this. Are you sure? Because she ultimately has your best interests at heart. She just doesn't want to see you get hurt. That's how I want you to see the imposter. Become friends with her. Now, while I now choose to be positive, I wasn't always like that. Growing up, I was naturally negative. And when I say growing up, I'm not talking about high school, however tall I was short. I'm talking about primary school. I think it started when I was about 9 years old, and I started thinking that I was dumb, I wasn't pretty, my friends didn't get me, the teachers were in the staff room talking about me, as if they were talking about their own lives. But I swear, this is how I felt. And I remember sitting down with my Year 5 teacher, called Miss Hancock, great name when you're in Year 5 to make fun of. And especially when you don't like her. And I sat down with her talking about a project, and she said to me, Leanne, you are your own worst enemy. And I didn't quite understand it at the time, but she was right. You see, I have 2 very loving parents who were very supportive to me. But my dad, good old dad, he has this nickname, Grumble Bums. He prefers to be the victim and grumble about everything. I have to often tell him, Dad, change the channel, change the topic. So he prefers to be the victim. And I absorbed that growing up. And that's how I naturally felt. I actually thought if I was happy for too long, I was overdue for something bad to happen. And I was a kid. So then, about 10 years ago, I was in this naturally negative state of mind, having a cup of coffee with a friend, whinging about my telesales job. I hated it. I was meant to be a writer. But I was on the phone all day with people who just wanted to hang up on me. And she recommended this self-help book. Now, I won't tell you the name of the book because it's a secret. But it taught me that I can be the driver in my life. I don't have to be that passenger, that victim. I can choose to be positive. And so that's the path I now take. So today I want you to give yourself a hug. And the HUG represents how I want you to see the imposter. The H is for hear. Hear those negative words, just take it on board. The U is for understand. Why is she saying it to you? Where does it come from? What seed has been planted in your mind by someone else or from your own storytelling? And the G is for go do it anyway. Prove her wrong, because only then will you experience hugs, plural. The S is for silence, because she has nothing left to say to you. So today, I want you to be friends with the imposter. Don't be the bully. Be the best friend. I hope you make the right choice.
Very good.
Thank
You're
you.
very good. Very good. You know, I can see you really coming into your own. You're coming into your voice. You're coming into your power. In your questionnaire, you wrote that I want to learn how to make an influence and impact on stage with this message. You know, the more that this message is formulated and crafted, etc., I'm really keen to see exactly what will be exposed in a 1 hour keynote here. But you're really coming into your own here on stage. There are stages in the world that are waiting for you. They're waiting for you. You are totally worthy to be on this stage. You're totally good enough, and know that the best is yet to come for you as well. Yeah. You're a very powerful speaker. You're a very powerful personality, and follow this dream as well. Don't let go of it, because the best is yet to come for you. It's
Thank
really
you so
exciting.
much. Thank you.
Very, very proud of you. Well
Thank you.